Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, income tax filing in season in India has begun already, and a lot of you might have questions about what is AIS and how to download it and verify because it's a very important document to check all your transactions like your foreign remittance outward, your income that you have made, TDS, stocks, mutual fund, anything that you have bought, then also any property that you have purchased. Because basically nowadays even CAs ask for this so that they can align your tax return in a way that it does not raise any questions. So because it's gonna be like a confidential information too, that's why instead of making it live, I'm making it in a format of screenshot so that you can actually see. So this is the first login page that you'll see some portions have been blackened out, of course, to protect privacy. So on this front page itself of income tax portal, when you log in, you see there's a link AIS. This is what annual information statement. You click on it and it takes you to compliance portal. Okay. Here you get the option to download. And when you click on this download AIS TIS, you can select AIS and you can download it in the PDF format. That is the standard format most of us follow. And it's password protected document where you have to use PAN card in small, followed by your DD, YYYY, your date of birth. Okay, you can open it. Now in this, everything has importance, but this e-verification tab is also very important. If you go to this, you will see your general information, any notice, any letters generated, any mismatch campaign generated, all such details you can find out over here. And you can discuss with your CA and take appropriate action. You should never ignore any income tax notice, that for sure, but this is in fact, you can get it aligned. And you can also see list of notices later. So basically they are like aligning the whole process and it's a very appreciated one. It's pretty simple, very short video you may say, but that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Come on.